Hey folks, this is what I use when I go caulking around the house. When I caulk the wood and the fascias and all that area that I caulk up. I use Alex Plus by DAP, okay, all-purpose, acrylic latex, caulk plus silicone. And it's 40-year. And this stuff is really good. I love this stuff. It doesn't crack, doesn't flake off. It stretches as the things expand and contract. It just works awesome for me. And this is the clear here. And you put it on, it's white, and then when it's done and it's finally cured, it turns clear. So it's a real good telltale that you know it's done and it's ready to go. But this stuff is awesome, folks. I love using it. And I'm gonna show you a couple of uses I use it for in the house. Okay. One use I use for here is the caulking on my expansion of my eaves. When my eaves start expanding, I just caulk them up. Get it nice and filled in the cracks there. And I use my handy caulking spreader tool so I don't get it all over my hands, and I'll leave a link there on the description below where to get it and smooth it all out. Remember, this stuff turns into turns from white to clear. So whatever you do, just smooth it out and it'll all look great in a day. I use it where pipes come out. Smooths out real nice. Like I said, it goes on white and dries clear. So this is gonna look awesome when it's done. Nice and clean. I use the white for my kickboard and tile when they come together. Right. Spread it out. Look at that. Yeah. I use it where any seams that need to be filled, like my wood garage here, need to fill this up. Keep it protected from the rain. Like I said, this turns white and dries clear, but they also have white. So the white is awesome too, like where my tile and my kickboards come together. It's nice to use white there. And this really works great for me. Okay, here's the pipes I did on the outside. Nice and clear, clean, look at that. The job I did on my eaves there, all sealed up. The sealing I did on my garage door. Now it's all dried up and clear and ready to paint. Anyway, folks, I use this product for about everything I do around the house. It needs caulking. I mean, this stuff is paintable, flexible, strong, multi-surface adhesion, 100% waterproof, easy water cleanup, and low odor when you're applying. Once it's dried, you got to scrape it off. Interior, exterior. And I tell you this, I love this stuff because it's paintable. That's like the #1 thing right there. Not only it's a good caulking, but it's paintable. But it comes in clear and it comes in white. And I get this at Walmart when it's available. I mean, I tell you this stuff, the clear for sure sells out. Like when they put a case out, it's gone. So when you see it, grab it while you can. And the white, sometimes there's plenty of it, and then sometimes it's all gone too. But Walmart has the best prices for it. The next choice would be Lowe's to get it. They have it. And it's a great product, folks. It works for me. Good luck. God bless.